Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something that could change your weight loss journey forever: Keto Slim Drops. The revolutionary product designed to support your weight loss goals and boost your energy levels. But what makes it stand out? Let's find out. Did you know that being overweight is a struggle for millions of people around the world? Have you tried countless procedures and none of them worked? Or ever felt stuck in your weight loss efforts? Struggling with cravings, low energy, low confidence, or just not seeing the results you'd like? If so, you're definitely not alone. Keto Slim Drop isn't just another supplement. It is designed and manufactured in an FDA and GMP registered and approved facility, ensuring you get a high-quality and highly secure product that works. But does it really deliver on its promises? And spoiler alert, yes it does. This unique formula features powerful ingredients like raspberry ketones, African mango, gymnema leaf, and green tea extract. These components work together to enhance fat burning, curb cravings, and support your metabolism. Imagine your body efficiently burning fat for energy while keeping those pesky cravings at bay. That's what Keto Slim Drop aims to do. Plus, it helps maintain stable energy levels throughout the day, so you can stay active and focused and obtain sustainable long-term results. Developed by experts, Keto Slim Drop combines natural ingredients that have been celebrated for their health benefits for years. Each element is carefully selected to maximize effectiveness and ensure safety. And the best part? It's super easy to incorporate this daily ritual into your routine. Simply take Keto Slim Drops 15 minutes before meals, and you'll be on your way to seeing amazing results. Plus, Keto Slim Drop comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can contact the support and easily get a full refund. No questions asked. And you might be wondering about where to get your Keto Slim Drops. I've left the official website link down below, so this way you can make a secure and safe purchase to receive the original product, avoiding any scams. Join the thousands of people who are already transforming their lives with Keto Slim Drops. It's time to take control of your health and embrace a balanced lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing contents like this. Until next time.